Hello fitness enthusiasts. Today we're focusing on the lateral raise. Fantastic exercise for targeting those shoulder muscles. Stick around as we guide you through the proper form step by step. Start by selecting a pair of dumbbells that match your fitness level. Stand with a dumbbell in each hand, arms fully extended by your sides, and a neutral grip, palms facing your body. Maintain a slight bend in your knees, engage your core and keep your back straight. This is your starting position. Ensure your feet are shoulder width apart for stability. Take a deep breath and as you exhale, lift the dumbbells directly to the sides. Keep a slight bend in your elbows to avoid unnecessary strain and focus on using your shoulder muscles to lift the weights. Raise the dumbbells until your arms are parallel to the ground, forming a T shape with your body. This is the peak of the movement. Ensure your shoulders, elbows and wrists are in a straight line. Lower the dumbbells back to the starting position with control. Avoid swinging or using momentum. The goal is to keep constant tension on your shoulder muscles. Perform the exercise for the desired number of repetitions. Exhale as you raise the dumbbells and inhale as you lower them. Focus on maintaining a smooth, controlled motion. There you have it, the lateral raise. A great exercise for building those shoulder muscles. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep raising and stay strong.